Hi, this is Rakesh Roy watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity issue. So let's start. So click on Start menu, open Setting. Once open, click on Network. Scroll down. Now click on Advanced. Scroll. Now click on this option. From here, you can reset the network. Just click on it and then click on S. If you have any issue, it will fix the issue. After that, you just need to reboot your machine, your laptop or desktop. If required, you can disable or enable your LAN card also. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.